Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step with this vehicle as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front. Side view camera with spotlight indicated mirrors, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. Moving to the front now, we do get a nice black cut deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with the carpeted interior. You do get cup holders, rear vents with 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt. We do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. We have your auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10 kilometers. We got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking under the screen here, we do have our main menu, which has my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, speeds. It is collapsible with storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, rear locking if, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below. Storage right here. We do get our center console as well with a fair bit of storage. We do get a nice powered rear window opener as well, which is pretty handy. Got our park assist as well. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, apps in general, and any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE35457, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.